Right, we're on this motorbike.
And also me.
And this guy.
You started to record?
Yeah,
Alright.
for sure. No worries. I mean, it's just casual. And we're going to go and have a motorbike tour of Hanoi. My Soviet-style helmet on. And yeah, let's get ready. I thought it would be really warm, but and I'm from London, so I didn't pack any warm clothes. So, but
First of all, how is the weather in London now?
cold, it's freezing, bro.
Freezing?
Yeah, it's bad. Oh, not even that, just grey and rainy all the time.
Rainy all the time.
Yeah, not a lot of sun. No. Okay, the motorbike was great. This is my guide. We're going to Cafe Jiang, and we're gonna go get an egg
The
coffee.
X coffees, everyone. It's Jiang X coffee.
Amazing.
Chris?
This place.
Alright.
We're going into a really narrow alley with the motorbike tour in the back streets of Hanoi. Wow. Oh my god. This is exciting. This is like a residential area?
Exactly. You know, in Hanoi, there's many people. Not only Hanoi people. They have many people from all over the city.
Wow.
Here, where 70% of them live.
Wow.
Are regional Hanoi.
And then, like, what neighborhood is this?
It's just like a local neighborhood in a random district in Hanoi.
So cool.
You know those painting on the wall? We call that a free marketing.
Yeah. Graffiti. Street art.
See how skillful we drive?
Yeah, man, I'm impressed with the steering, the driving. Yeah, I can't do that. Actually, like, oh wow, this is where back at the lake.
Every like small alleys, everything is all connected to a lake like this.
So I didn't know there's so many.
Nature lake. Each lake is surrounded by a whole residential area like this. Because in the past, we didn't have air conditioner or something. This is gonna be a nature air conditioner lake.
I'm back to life.
Just a break time before we get into the upcoming ones. Or public building. Or anything, we call that black noodles. Black noodles.
Like noodles, yeah.
Exactly.
Electric noodles.
You know, yesterday I go to the Italian. I call this
Yeah. So this is the bamboo pipe.
the bamboo pipe. Make sure you record that.
Yeah.
Mr. Andrea, why I call this a mutual wife? Why? This is what they kiss in every morning
Oh.
just before their wife.
First, okay.
This is very strong. And now Mr. Ragnar over here will demonstrate.
Okay.
And you just put
Right,
you
first
just
of
put
all-
tobacco in it. Just tobacco.
This is the
yeah,
Vietnamese
just tobacco.
Okay.
Okay.
This is not marijuana, so yes.
Okay.
First of all, I want to tear this open. It is very strong indeed. First of all, you can smell it.
Oh yeah.
You've had this one before. Mr. Ryan, please have me demonstrate this.
Oh,
Okay. Before I keep sharing any story about the surrounding, we start with this.
okay.
Maybe a fresh morning start. However, this is the morning. This is the evening now.
Yeah. So we want to show you this because if you walk around in Hanoi, you see many people
Okay,
having this on the street.
Kissing the wife.
Kissing, yeah, wife.
Exactly.
I haven't married her yet, so it's just my girlfriend. Yeah. Okay. So this gonna be Vietnamese tobacco. Yeah. It's grown in the north of Vietnam. So when you go to the south, Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City, you see no of this. Just in the north. Yeah. So this one is kind of strong. If you ever smoke, yeah, cigarette. This time is like 10 cigarettes at the same time.
Can you use that tobacco for cigarettes or not?
Yeah.
Because some men are ready to take their
Yeah.
wife.
It contains nicotines.
Okay.
That's the first step, cooking, and then enjoy it.
The sound of it. About to get drunk, Mr. Andre. I hope you'll be safe sitting behind it. You're gonna drive.
Yeah, but I'm good.
You're used to it. You're used to it.
Hope so.
Nice.
And now, to everyone,
This is what we want to show you. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Amazing. The real Vietnam.
The real Vietnam. Let me show you.
Okay, we're going to a wet market.
Who want the fish?
Oh my god!
Jump out.
Wow!
Poor Nemo.
Oh my god!
Let's give you a try on a very special snack. Every afternoon, after work, after school, yes, we want to go to the local market. Yes, to have something like this. This one is the pork stick. Pork stick.
Okay.
Yeah. They make some like thin slice of pork, stick it to the stick, and paste some honey. Yeah,
Nice.
some honey on, yes, to get a better smell for it.
Amazing.
And we grill it on the coal. Yeah. So are you good with pork?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay.
Is
Yes.
it good? It's good to eat. Yeah.
Yes, it's good to eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
So,
checking.
Okay, we also eat too. Yeah, just to make sure.
Okay. Here we go. Very good. Nong.
you know the word?
Nong.
Alright, let me get inside.
Very good.
Can never miss it, everyone.
With my friend
Never
Hey.
miss it.
Yes, where you come from?
Oh, London. London. Hello. Xin chào. Xin chào.
It is tofu. Hanoians love eating tofu
Ah.
and chicken.
Wow. Oh, ducks. Oh.
Chris?
Oh my god. Wow.
This one has a very interesting name.
Okay.
It's the breast milk fruit. Breast milk fruit.
Okay.
Because inside it still has milk.
Okay.
It's white, juicy like milk.
Okay.
Yes, and it's very soft. And they say before we have this, we have to squeeze it like this, squeezing. Yeah. Somehow it's like, yeah, you are squeezing that breeze. That's why they call it breast milk.
Okay.
Breast milk fruit. Yeah. Very special in Vietnam. Just can be grown in the winter when it's cold.
It's sweet. Is it sweet?
Very sweet.
Okay. Good.
And dragon fruit. You know dragon fruit,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay, this is the Hanoi train street. So, okay, we're gonna get a egg beer and see what it's like. Okay.
And to fill up, yes, and have some
to
sip,
take a video.
have some sip, have some drinks, and then like keep on like pouring on. Yes, and let me like handle this for you. Go to here.
Egg beer.
To searching it.
Needs in the riser.
Okay. It's very strict. It's really close. Oh my god. It's literally like, yeah, it's really close. Wow. Oh my god. Woo! I wanna to touch it. Woo! Oh my god. Wow. It's a lot closer than I expected it to be. It was very, very close. Oh wow. That was flattened by the
Very flattened.
by the train.
It's strange.
On the train track.
A good souvenir.
Wow.
You got some like little more.
Awesome.
I didn't remember.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
We're going into a local lady's house here in Hanoi.
Yes.
Do we have to take off our shoes?
We're gonna take off the shoes. We have outside. Yeah, because that's the culture. The door was like built higher than usual a little bit. It's to prevent flooding. Every August we have the times like rain a lot. It's a rainy season, so the water level sometimes raise. It's rain for 2 to 3 days in a row.
Hello, xin chào.
Chào bà. In Vietnam we call her grandma is bà.
Ba.
Bà.
Ba.
Bà. It's grandma.
Xin ơi.
Xin mời.
Pris.
Ông này tên là Pris.
Pris.
Cảm ơn. Bây giờ tuyệt vời.
Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Giỏi quá.
Andrea, nice to meet
Cảm
you.
ơn.
Ông này tên là Andrea.
Andrea, thank
Ông
you.
này là người Ý. Người Ý đó ạ. Đấy, ông này là người Anh. Đấy, đến từ
London.
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 Italy.
Ông này đến từ Ý, Italy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Đi
chị
xe
sẽ...
máy đấy.
Vâng ạ, đi xe máy bạn.
Dạ.
Bình thường thôi bạn. Chị say, do you feel cold with the weather? Because it's a change.
No.
Người bình thường bạn.
Good.
Người ta còn dưới 0 độ cơ. Ba ăn cơm chưa?
London video YouTube. YouTube.
Vâng. Ông này làm YouTuber, quay video, quay vlog để cho mọi người xem. Thì hôm nay rất là vinh dự được vào thăm nhà bà. Bình thường bên nước ngoài là người ta không được vào thăm nhà riêng như này đâu.
Các cháu đưa đi khắp nơi còn không vào à?
Dạ, đưa đi khắp nơi nhưng phải có bọn cháu thì mới vào được chứ bà. Còn người ta tự đi người ta không vào được.
Nhưng các cháu cũng phải đưa đi vòng quanh tất cả vào.
Không ạ, bọn cháu chỉ đi ở đây thôi,
Yeah.
đi Hà Nội thôi. Vâng. Bà giới thiệu một chút về bà đi, bà tên là gì ạ? Leaf. Yeah, đinh lăng. It look like this. It look like mint.
Mint.
Yeah, look like mint leaf. Yes.
But this is like they make the wine out of it,
Vâng.
like a spirit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How do you call it in
It's a
Vietnamese?
Đinh lăng.
Ding lang.
Yeah.
Cháu uống không?
But most of it is rice
Cháu
wine.
uống để bà lấy cốc.
Cháu không ạ, cháu lái xe bà.
À.
Vâng. Thế thôi, cháu cho mấy ông một tí. So
Mỗi người nửa nhá.
teacher has fed a small sip a bit, right? Okay.
Không có gì mời đâu, chỉ có tí nước thôi.
Yeah. Bà lấy một cốc đi, bà làm một hớp với cả các ông đi.
Nữa đi.
Ôi, một ngụm thôi bà ạ. Thử thôi, ông uống nhiều lại say.
Chạy đi đi.
Okay.
Can I help you? Yes, help this. Thank you. 1, 2, 3 Joe in Vietnam. And we, after the Joe, you're gonna tap the cup together. Okay. How to zoom? Yes, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, that's good, Olima. Okay. 1, 2, how to make the record?
It's on record now.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3 Joe.
Cheers.
Oh,
Oh,
very good.
how was that?
It's actually nice.
Strong, right?
Yeah, but it's not like bitter. It's like
No bitter.
smooth.
Very smooth.
Very good.
Hot in the throat.
Very hot in throat. Okay.
Thank you.
Your turn. You have one little.
Oh my
Small
god.
one.
I'm driving.
You can take a small one.
Nữa.
Yeah, it's good luck.
Good
Yeah,
luck.
come on.
Okay.
So that's the Ho Chi Minh Museum. You can go in. Is that a museum?
Not a place for people to pay the respect to our witness.
Wow.
You can see like the line, body, line, the government meeting house. It's the brain of the whole country. So whenever we got a big meeting, it's always in this building.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the walking food street.
Seeing a very beautiful morning.
Very cool. Phở.
This.
Okay, so we have rolled pho with fish sauce with my buddies here on the corner of this food street, and it's really good.
But this is just the warm up for tomorrow. You can have a pho with broth, just the warm up, so you can know things first.
Okay,
Alright?
let's go. There you go. Really good. Herby with the meat inside. Perfect.
Coconut fried coconut. And for this one, carrot. It look.
Want to try some karaoke?
Yeah.
It's
like
very
a
common on street.
The Vietnamese.
Remember to count, alright?
Okay.
3, 2,
Yes.
1. Action. Everyone's And here I got the fries noodles. And also the local we call the Vietnamese taco.
Nice.
You started to know the way we eat it.
Okay.
First of all, it's empty inside. We take it on our bowl. We stop it. In order to make an empty space inside. What do we do next? A little bit of this, a little bit of that, even chili if you wanted to. For example, a little bit of this one over here. Put it inside, but just a little bit because I love that. And second, a little bit of chicken and everything I wanted to. Maybe I even put more. But just for example, I got mine. I put it on this like a Titanic. And it will song. Since I'm still young, I got a big mouth.
Yes.
Jack and Rose gonna love this.
That guy, hey, going for it. How good is it out of 10? Give me a rate out of 10.
You name it.
Guys, that's the end of my motorcycle tour in Hanoi. What an amazing city. What a great tour. They're just called the Motorcycle Tours of Hanoi. If you want to look them up online, I'll put a link below, but I 10 out of 10 recommend. They're such great guys, and it's a really fun way to spend half a day in Hanoi. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. I want to make more videos and I want to travel as much as possible. So if you want to support my work, please like, subscribe, and push that bell notification so that you get an alert every time I post a video. I really appreciate it and it helps me out a lot. Alright guys, happy travels wherever you guys are. Take care. Bye.